In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Hytale error when creating a world. I'm going to show you two different fixes since each one works for different people. But before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and find this little time option down here. Right click on it and select adjust date and time. And I do want to say, make sure you are fully closed out of Hytale before doing this. But essentially from here, just scroll down and what you're looking for is the additional settings option. And underneath additional settings, you're going to see a sync now tab. Go ahead and select sync now and then close your settings and relaunch Hytale and try creating a world again. For most people, this will fix the issue immediately. If that didn't work though, go ahead and open up Hytale and go specifically into your Hytale settings, into general, and then from here, go ahead and find your language. It's usually set to use system language by default. Just click on it and change the language to English specifically. After you do that, hit save changes down in the bottom right and try creating that world again. And once again, this will fix the issue for a lot of players who weren't able to create worlds before. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can fix the error when creating a world here in Hytale. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.